Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to OnePlus 13R. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it and tap on the same options to set it up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and click on Receive button. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!